Welcome to my video. So I'm gonna play this role play game. And yeah, bro, I'm gonna play rivals in fucking 3 minutes or maybe 4 minutes. So we're gonna be fucking play this ass. Worthy, bro, the swearing.
Oh, 61. Ay, 61. Hindi ko rin sulpan.
Bro, can you shut the fuck up? Cause I'm recording. Oh my fucking god, bro, I have bad luck. Oh my lord, bro. Oh my lord, I have bad luck, bro. Before you go, I have bad luck.
Oh, my lord, boy.
Oh, sapa, kaya nag-record ko. Yo, chat, sorry for the fucking spring because my friend is so goddamn loud. Bro! Ayos siya pa! Ayos storya!
Oh, my lord.
Anyways. Shit, I booked my English. So, I'm not loud. So I was saying that my fucking ice cream is so fucking damn loud, bro. Yeah, bro. My cream is lame.
Ay, saba. Oh, my lord. Ano, dito rin?
Yo, bro. Yo, guys,
Oh, my lord.
Yo, chat, patch this glitch, bro. I found this glitch on purpose. No,
Oh, my
I
lord.
found this glitch accidentally.
Ito man?
So yeah, bro, if you...
Oh, my lord. Sige, ka ng oh, my lord.
Bro, can you shut the fuck up? Yeah, bro. Bro.
Kain.
Yo, guys, I have to end the video, bro.
Oh, di pa na.
Shut the fuck up. So yeah, that's my motherfucker ass friend, bro. I'm gonna unfriend this bitch. Fucking ass annoying as fuck, bro. I'm not unfriending him. Yo, chat, if I hit 50 subscribers, I will block my friend. So guys,
Wala tayo mabloin.
shut the fuck up. So guys, to end the video because my friend so fucking loud as fuck, bro. Yeah, bro. I don't fucking care if it's 3 minutes or maybe 2 minutes or maybe 4 minutes. I don't fucking care. Ain't I'm fucking lagging. I'm just gonna play one match in Rivals.
Awan.
Can you shut the fuck up? Can you shut the fuck up? Can you shut the fuck up? Lagi! Bukan mo, dito ko sila, B. Bukan mo, dito kayo to. Bahala ko, hindi. Tatahan ng Robux. Banda, kayo ka ba? So anyways, I'm gonna play one match. Friendly na dude. If you know I kill some sheep, but if you don't, can you shut the fuck up? Shut the fuck up! Dogs! Dog is so goddamn loud, bro. Manha kayo ko ba? Fucking god. This is why I hate my friend. He's only 9 year old. 9 I have a fucking ass brain. Gonna play what? Too much. Too much. Yo. By the way, I was saying that my fucking ass brain was fucking ass damn loud. You know that? Motherfucker. Bro, my fucking ass. Can you get Bro, what the fuck? Yo, I'm fucking ending the video. Bye, guys.